Yeah, they tryna at me, I'm running the race. I gotta pick up the pace. They throwing shade, but I'm gone. Gotta keep the bucks in my face. Taking anything out of space. Stay in your place. They ain't on all of my songs. I don't know what can I say. They throwing shots, but I'm saying.
You the one that I need. Hey, can I get the phone number? You my number one designer. I was shooting a video already.
People are dancing in the street. Some are making barbecue. Some are playing music. I just want to take all that energy and put it into my music and make something great.
How we doing, man? Good to see you, man.
How you doing, man?
Very good. Very nice to meet you, man.
Pleasure's all mine. Pleasure's all mine.
Yo, this is Pablo, my man Pablo.
Pablo meets Picasso, man. Instagram, man.
You got it.
This is the nicest in the Afro beat game, man. Stop
Watch
playing.
out. I'm going to translate my single into Spanish.
Yeah,
And he's going to make that happen, you know. We're going to work together.
About to make a hit, man. We're doing it for the culture, man. That's what it's about.
All
you know?
right, man.
So,
Music.
Let's get it going.
Right, you so fine, 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 fine.
Like, you're doing the lyrics in Spanish, so you giving that shout out already to like the Latino community, but then you bring in your flavor too. Volteate, mami, con los pies. Acércate, mami, baila bien. Te gusta, mami, lo sabes bien. So however you choose to swag that out, you know what I mean? If you do it like that.
So here is what I want to get first. Mama Africa, man.
Mama Africa, you mean? At the end of the day, I know I know my roots, man. That's all I gotta say, bro.
Exactly.
I'm Spanish, but I know my roots,
It's
man.
in the blood, that's it.
It's in the blood, man. Music is in
That's
our
it.
blood, man.
Párate, mami, bájate. Volteate, mami, con los pies.
Yeah, there we go. Try it one more time. I think you could get it better than that.
Te gusta, mami,
Lo sabes bien. Te gusta, mami, lo sabes bien. Now let me hear that one, Papa.
Acércate, mami, baila bien.
I'm kind of nervous, you know, because I don't speak Spanish, but like I have to sing in Spanish. It's crazy. I love challenging myself, pushing myself to the limits, you know.
Exactly.
I like it now.
Yeah, like that. Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah, let's do it.
Te gusta, mami, lo sabes bien. La discoteca mirándote.
Pablo, tell me I got that one.
you got. Sabes bien, sabes bien.
It's like ça va bien.
Yeah, it's like ça va bien, but it's sabes bien. You already know, man. That first verse is fire.
So far.
Listen, you're gonna listen. All I'm gonna say is that at the end of this whole entire journey, you're gonna see what took place today.
Yes.
Ismo won, Africa stand up, Latino stand up, everybody stand up. It's for the culture, man.
Yep.
This is for the culture. You ready?
I'm ready, my man.
Let's get it.
Colombia, acércate, mami, baila bien.
I think the end of the
Mami, lo
words.
sabes bien. The little thing,
You know the one thing you want.
you be in my life. I'll never make you be my wife.